Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm the designer for Tic Tac Tanks. Tic Tac Tanks is a coffee break puzzle game with toy-like visuals. Each puzzle has two phases: the placement phase, where you position your units on the board, and the battle phase, where you watch the battle play out. Tic Tac Tanks allows for multiple solutions, and there is no cost to getting a puzzle wrong. Experiment with different formations to optimize your score, or hit the minimum and move on to the next level. Tic Tac Tanks was originally inspired by Tic Tac Toe. If you line up your units on the board, you can score extra points. As you progress, the boards will grow in size and complexity. You'll also be introduced to different unit modifiers that affect the way the battle plays out. Consider each unit's modifiers as you place them on the board. Tic Tac Tanks is a relatively short game. It contains 50 unique puzzles and will take about 3 to 4 hours to complete. Sign up using the link in the description to be notified when the game launches.